What's going on, everyone? It is Paul, the 920 Trader with 920 Trading and Trading Decoded. Today is Thursday, July 25th, 2024. Today would have been my dad's 81st birthday, which is kind of it's a very special day for me. So happy birthday, Dad. He would have been 81. He died when he was 64. So anyway, not that that matters. I just wanted to, recognize my dad in today's video. Okay, but before we get going, folks, if you like our videos, please go ahead and give us a like and a subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way, you can be notified when we drop new content, which is just about every day. And sometimes on the weekend. Every now and again, we'll do something on the weekend. Also, don't forget to leave us a comment. We always appreciate that very much. And share with your friends, family, neighbors, and trading community, folks. Help spread the word. I also wanted to do a little shout out here. Thank you for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much. Let's keep it going, folks. All right, so here we go. Pre-market high. We got pre-market high sitting up there at about 572.69. I got a couple of pre-market lines sitting up there. So about 69 or so, 542.69. Pre-market low, 539.27. So right out of the gate, folks, we're thinking what do we got? $3.50 worth of movement, back from the downside to the upside in pre-market. Now, if you remember back to yesterday, we had a nice sell-off yesterday. Really nice price action. You can see what the price is doing right now. This is real time right over here, folks. Now, I missed the open this morning. I missed about the first hour and 20 minutes or so, somewhere right around in there. I had a CAT scan done on my abdomen this morning. I'm pretty sure it's just a hernia, not a big deal. Umbilical hernia, which is painful. I don't know if you've had one, but if you haven't, you don't want one, but it's kind of painful. So at any rate, I missed everything coming out of the gate this morning. But let's talk about the initial plays right out of the gate this morning. So here we go, folks. So look at this. Yeah, we had this cross to the upside. Nothing really to speak of from an upside move. I mean, maybe you caught something here. You got this breach of the 9, the 20 up here. You got POC. I don't know where POC was at this time. This is POC where it is right now, folks. But look at this play to the downside, folks. Look at this thing just ran and it ran and it ran. It ran, what do you got, 37? We're at what, $3 down here? Now, here's where it gets really fun, folks. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. It ran. Now, you can see this play and you're thinking, what are you doing up here? Why are you taking puts? Well, I like to play the reversal off of pre-market high or pre-market low, but generally, it's probably a 50-50 play at best after we already took out pre-market low. So once you take out that pre-market low, then it goes and it takes out pre-market high. It's free to do whatever it wants to do after it does this right in here. So again, I tried to catch a reversal back to the downside. Not the best play in the world, obviously. Ended up on the losing side of it. But look at this thing, folks. It just ran and it ran and it ran. And then we just kind of bounced around for a little bit. And then guess what it did? It ran some more, folks. I caught that next cross to the upside. Nice little play. Took it up to this line right here. Caught that next play to the upside. So, I mean, it just ran. What do we have? Like, I don't know, $10 worth of movement to the upside. We had it was insane, the amount of movement. When you have a day like this, folks, you have to take advantage of these moves. You get into that trade, just kick back. And we talked about this a little bit yesterday, folks. Once you're in a trade, do not watch your P&L. If you watch your P&L, you're gonna jump on a trade so early, folks. Don't watch your P&L. And again, that's my opinion, folks. That is absolutely my opinion. Now, it came back to the downside. Look at this run back to the downside. So we had this treetops over here, and then it just dumped, and it dumped. I missed this move in here, so I was waiting for that next move back to the downside. So here it is. Look at that. I mean, just absolutely incredible move back to the downside. And the question is, why didn't you take the second cross to the downside? My answer is I just missed this one. I'm on the mic generally from 9 o'clock in the morning to close. So about 6.5 hours. Well, actually 7 hours every day. So we got 9 o'clock to to 4 o'clock Eastern time, so 7 hours every day. And again, I missed a little bit of time this morning. I take a little bit of time for lunch, but I missed this play back to the downside right in here. So once I miss a play, I'm not going to jump in. We've all done it too many times, folks. If you miss your entry, on a play, please, 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 for the love of everything holy, do not chase trades. We're not dogs. You don't chase cars. Dogs that chase cars eventually get hit and run over. So please, please, please do not chase trades. Please don't. Anyway, that's my PSA for today. So anyway, I missed this trade to the downside right here. So, we caught this. Oh, I wanted to catch this double cross to the downside. I missed the double cross, but I caught that next candle. Again, it was just right barely above that pre-market high. But nevertheless, we're getting that confirmed cross back to the downside. We're below the 9, so we want to use that 9 as resistance. And I rode that sucker down about as well, not as far as I could have ridden it down, but closed it out when we started getting this push back to the upside. It's just, these plays, the setups today, folks, were just really, 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 really nice. As far as, any kind of false moves to the upside or the downside, they're really nothing to speak of. Yeah, maybe you would have lost a little bit of money on a play like this, or taken a rejection off a pre-market high and lost on a deal like that. There are always winning trades and there are always losing trades, folks. It just depends on what your strategy is. If you're a 920 trader, there are multiple ways to play the 920. You can play it aggressively. That's basically taking a play directly off of a major level before you get to the fishtail. Okay, so before you get to the 9, either back to the upside or the downside off of a major level. You can catch a fishtail play, and a fishtail play, all that is that's the space between the 9 and the 20. These plays right in here, folks, these are fishtail plays. Okay, so you got a fishtail play here, fishtail play on this next candle. Then, the next play is your close above the 20. Okay, so you don't want to take this play right in here, in my opinion, only because you're directly below that pre-market line, pre-market low. Wait until you breach to the upside. So if you're not in on a fishtail, wait until you breach to the upside and then ride that puppy wherever it takes you. Again, multiple ways to play it. There's aggressive play, a fishtail play, a 20 breach, a breach of another major level. You get across to the upside or downside, wait for that first corresponding color of the move to take that trade. So again, there are so many different ways to play the 920, folks. Let's kind of see what we did. Let me see right in here. Look at 350 in here, folks. Gosh, this was late in the day, folks. We had about 25, 26 minutes left to go in the trading day. Look at this beautiful, beautiful play. We had P. So P, it's a John Carter pivot point, folks. So John Carter, it's a major level that we're looking for at some point throughout the day. So that's what P represents. So look at this. Look at the multiple ways you could play this. Again, fishtail play here where you breach pre-market high and then rode that thing back down. A lot of different ways to play it, folks. I get really, really busy doing different things during the afternoon, or obviously late in the day, because I have a lot of messages that I have to look at. So consequently, I miss some plays. You know what? Hey, that's okay. That is okay. If I can help other people get where they want to be, that is absolutely a good thing. And it was a good day anyway, so we're not going to cry over a missed play. We miss a lot of them anyway, folks, so it really doesn't matter. But look at this run back to the downside. So we got 43 through 30, guys, $6, $7 run. Are you kidding me? Now, some of this came after hours. So we actually stopped trading right in here, folks. So, after this candle right here, it just kept going lower and lower and lower. Now, if you're not in this trade early enough, late in the day, any pullback is going to destroy your position unless you're deep in the options chain. It just will. That's just the reality. Theta will kick you square in the teeth. That way. So consequently, late in the day, we want to take late day scalps, folks. So late day scalps, and every now and again, you're going to catch a candle, a dollar candle, $1.50, and then punch out of that thing, and then it makes for a really, really, really nice day, folks. A very, very nice day. But that's how we did it today, folks. Overall, and again, hated missing the downside and then back to the upside, but did catch some really, really nice plays. Overall, in the market, I'm going to show you SPX because this is a clean representation of what we got going on today, folks. So we open right in here, folks. This is our open right here. So we opened right here, and then it just ran down, and then look what it did. It just ran up, pulled back, run up. So it's a very, 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 very clean chart with no lines. If we look at it from a 2-minute standpoint, look at how clean it is on the 2 minutes. So very, very clean. On the 3 minute, there's your 3 minutes. So look at how just absolutely clean it is on the higher time frames. So looking on a 5-minute time frame, look at that. It's beautiful. You really can't ask for anything more than this, folks. This is just an absolutely, it's a beautiful chart today. It's absolutely beautiful chart. But that's how we did today, folks. That is how she played out today. Now, if you enjoy our videos, please go ahead and give us a like and a subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you can be notified when we drop new content, which is just about every day and sometimes on the weekends, folks, sometimes on the weekends. Also, leave us a comment. Oh, my goodness, we love the comments. And don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, folks. Share with your friends, neighbors, and your trading community. We appreciate that. And again, thank you to everyone out there for getting us to 1,000 subscribers. It took us a little bit less than 7 months to do that. I think that's pretty good. 7 months to 1,000 subscribers. We have over 5,000 hours of watch time now, which that's pretty good. 5,000 hours of watch time is really good. We got to keep on pumping those numbers. We don't want those rookie numbers anymore. But anyway, thank you so much. Now, if you are interested in live daily trading, folks, this is where the rubber meets the road. If you're interested in live daily trading, head on over to our live trading Discord. It's called Trading Decoded. The link for that is down below. So check it out. Just click on it. You're going to get that first week for free. So first week for free. We go over every single one of these trades, whether I am in these trades or not, folks. We talk about it. And here's how we talk about it. We say, okay, well, based on this right here, this is a very aggressive move. If you want to take calls, it's an aggressive, or calls, it's a double cross, or calls, or puts, or whatever the play is, folks. We're talking about every single setup that I see throughout the day. So if you are trying to take your trading to the next level, give us a shot. We can help. We can help you as a trader. We can help you get where you want to get as a trader without spending thousands and thousands of dollars. But again, the link for that is down below. Now, if you're interested, if you want just a written version of the 920 crossover strategy, head on over to 920trading.com. The entire strategy is there for the world to see, folks. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on some strategy that it's probably just repackaged anyway. I didn't come up with the 920, folks. I didn't do it. It's been around as long as moving averages have been around. So I take no credit. The only thing I do take credit for are two things. Number one, the fishtail. I coined that term. That's my term. The other one is the double cross. And again, the double cross right here. Open above the 9, close below the 20 for puts. For calls, open below the 9 and close above the 20 for calls. Those are the only things that I can come up with and say, you know what? Those are mine. Those are the things that I came up with. But anyway, folks, that's how we did today. A+ day today. Perfect. Wonderful. Just incredible setups all day long, folks. If you just play the 920 conservatively, you will do exceptionally well. And again, if you want more information on that, 920trading.com. The link for that is also down below. So we hope everybody had a great day today, but above all else, we hope you followed your trading plan. The beauty is in the plan, folks. It's all about the process. If you will just focus on the process and forget about the P&L, just forget about the P&L. Focus on the process. You can do as well as you believe you can do. And I hope you believe that you can do exceptionally well in the markets. It's available for everybody who is willing to do it. Everybody is able, most people, not everybody. The vast majority of people are able to do this. Most people are unwilling to put in the time and go through the process. The process, it takes time and it takes energy and it takes an awful lot of heartbreak and heartache to get through that process. But anyway, again, thank you all for spending a little bit of your precious time with us this afternoon. I just want to tell you, I greatly appreciate it very much. So I hope everybody has a great rest of today. We're going to do it tomorrow. And we will see you in the markets.